Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put n go to the denominator. So we have over 1 over n. Next, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So you got about 0 in here, 0 in here. F of a minus f of a, you got about 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative of this one, so we have like this. So first derivative of this one, we have n. So we got about first derivative of a plus I over n. Later that we do first derivative of a plus I over n. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. This one, we have negative 1 over n squared. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have negative 1 over n squared, and I will put in here. This one we cancel. Next, this one divide by this one. So we got about number 1 in here. Next, when n approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. I divide by positive infinity, you got about 0. And now we got about I and first derivative of a. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Oh sorry, I forget about summation in here. And this is the final answer. This is the correct one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.